Hi, this is Melina Harrison, and today we want to talk about what to do next when you enroll someone. A lot of work goes into enrolling a new member onto your team, but that's when the fun just gets started. So it's important that when you finish a presentation as you're enrolling someone, and again during your wellness consult, you explain their different options for the pathways that they can choose. I have a simple script for this where I just lay out their options, such as there are certain types of people that just want to implement the oils into their own personal lives. So my job is to make sure that you know how to use the oils the most efficient and effective way so you get the best value for your money. The second type of person are those that maybe want to share the oils. As you're using them, you're thinking, oh, I need to tell my neighbor about this, or my uncle could really use this on his back. Or maybe you're thinking, I would really love to get some of these oils paid for, or maybe make a little extra spending money. So if you're interested in doing this, because doTERRA is an education-based product, they give you a referral commission for anyone that enrolls through you or someone you enroll. And because of that, if you host a class, you can earn some of your products for free or additional income. Now, the third type of person that I work with are those like myself that want to proactively build a residual income. And we have a proven method of success for those builders. Those are the ones that we partner with and invest our time and resources in showing you that pathway to success. So after you lay out these pathways, then just sit back and listen. Don't try to guess. Listen to what they want so you can place them accordingly. Now from there, you'll know whether you just end after the wellness consult and leave them with the Live Guide, or whether you direct them to the Share Guide and show them how to effectively host a class. Or maybe you direct them to the Build Guide and the Launch Guide and show them how to get started proactively building their business. Now, I will tell you, the first 60 to 90 days are crucial in someone's doTERRA business, because if they're putting forth the effort and they're not seeing the result, they're going to get frustrated. So we need to make sure that we're working closely with them to help them receive the maximum results for their efforts. Now remember that circumstances may change. Many of today's builders were yesterday's users and sharers. So it's okay to re-invite them to look at the sharing and business opportunity from time to time as it may apply. And also, just as it's important to communicate with your new team member on what they're wanting to do, it's also important to communicate with your mentor so that they can help you place your new member strategically for maximum results in your business. And this is really exciting. No matter what pathway they choose, they are going to play an important role in your doTERRA success. And the beginning of their doTERRA journey is the most exciting part. This is when they're learning about the oils. Make sure to plug them into the Share Success app so that they have that constant education. Make sure to show them how to look up the oils for their needs so that they don't feel they need to call you every time. And make sure to help them set up their 90-day wellness plan. Help them log into their back office and set up their LRP. This is an exciting time for them, and you get to be a part of all of those new experiences as they learn about essential oils and their new essential oil journey. So here's to changing the world, one new member at a time.